What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stutter Breezy, baby, coming to you live with... You like that, didn't you? Another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, hey, boy, I'm about to talk about Squad Up in a minute, but boy, hey, I'm gonna get to this NFT thing, how I do this, this in a minute. Talk about that in a minute. Talk about everything, man. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do, you know how we get to it. But, first of all, let's get to Squad Up. Now, look, man. It's paying good. Price is going up. Everything works. Everything is good. If you can get in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, one or two things is happening, man. Either they got amateur developers or they about to steal some money. That's the only two things that's finna happen. Cause I don't understand it, bro. How you not be how we still having connection issues? It's the same thing that was going on before. Can't connect. You might connect every now and then, and they'll let you buy the token, but you go back to withdraw something. I can't connect. Look at this. My wallet, same wallet, you dripping there, the same wallet. Look, can't see nothing. Now, how that look? One of your main promoters can't even see their money. That's stupid. That's dumb on a platform. One of your main promoters can't even see their money. This is plain stupid, bro. So either they finna steal the money or they incompetent. That's no other way to put it. Explain it to me. How are you having all these connection issues? It's the same stuff, same wallet, same, it's on Binance. We don't have that with Drip. You know what I'm saying? We don't have it with CoinSwap, BuySwap. You know what I'm saying? We have it with no other platform except this one. What are they doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, and most guys that get referrals and stuff, they wouldn't say nothing. They're messing with their money. Hey, I keep it real. Referrals or not, I got to keep it real, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, like I say, when you finally get on, yeah, your money, it's good, it's there, everything working, But if you can't get on, you don't know what's going on. Then they tell you well, you got to download another browser. Oh, well, it ain't working on iPhone, get your Android. If it ain't working on Android, go buy iPhone. Or download this, Token Pocket, a MetaMask, or do it on your Trust Wallet. Man, why do we got to go through all these hoops? You supposed to be able to come to your computer, hit the damn website, and do your business. What is going on? Then if you go on the Telegram, they ain't really saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. That's not good leadership. You know what I'm saying? Hit the shit head on. Stop talking about, they working on it. It's just the iOS. No, it ain't just iOS. It's the computer. It's Android. It's everything. Chrome. It's everything. So I don't know what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna keep it real. That's all I'm saying in my Telegram. Man, I can't connect. I don't know what to tell them. Hell, I can't either. How stupid is that? One of your main promoters can't connect to talk about the platform. That's stupid. That'd be like if Crypto Slow can't get on the Elephant Money. What do you think he gonna say? Well, Crypto, he laid back. He one of my more hippie dudes. Everything is lovely, so he might not say nothing. But I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna keep it real. When my people can't see their money or can't get on, I'm gonna say something. I mean, they need to consult. You got the money now. Go consult somebody. Talk to Forex Shark or somebody. Get the connection issue straight, bro. That's just real talk. I don't care who get mad or who go run tail, whatever. Bruh, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. But anyway, enough of that till they get their shit together. We go, but let me tell you what I was doing last night. Checking out some of this NFT stuff, right? Now, I ain't into the buying that. Hey, look, man, I know it's a lot of money to be made buying all that, them pixels and JPEGs and I ain't doing that. What I'm joking be paying 100 Ethereum, 200 Ethereum 35 Ethereum. Boy, you got to be. We ain't talking about BNB. We're talking about Ethereum. No, bro, not your boy. So what I do, I get behind the scenes, try to see what the coin gonna do, right? So I come on here, CoinGecko. You can go to whatever, Coin Market Cap, whatever. I come to CoinGecko. I just click the little NFT thing, go to NFT related coins. And that's what I do, right? So I let it load up. Now, I don't know. Some of this stuff reaching. I don't know if they, say they really in NFTs or not. But like Theta, you know what I'm saying? Are they really NFT related? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. They might be. I ain't really been up on it that much lately, but I don't know if they're really in the NFT space like that. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I do. I like to come on these 3 columns right here and then look at if all 3 of these are green, then I take a further look. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I do. So I run down through like that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I said, oh, what is this? The sandbar. What is it? I look at the chart. All right, pretty. It's all right. It just ran up right quick, but it's green. So I go check it out. Check out the sandbox. See what it is. Started a lot of stuff I ain't never heard before. So let's see. It's on Ethereum. Okay, it's on E. Let's see. Talking. Let's say it's Polygon. You know what I'm saying? No, it's on Ethereum. I guess you might get it on Polygon. We'll see. So I look at what the all-time high and all-time low. But it thing been out a while for the NFT. That's crazy. When you see 2020, you be like, well, that's a long time, boy, for it to be an NFT. But let's see what the price is now. Like price is 67 cents. All-time high was what, 90 cents back in March. We got a little something right here. Let's see. So 30 days, you been lost 10%. No, this ain't good enough. I ain't even finna. That ain't good enough. Not for me. NFT supposed to be booming. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just showing you how I do it. So, you can do it your way. Then I come down, keep scrolling. They almost made it. They ain't quite make it. Come right here. Oh, what's this here? My neighbor, Alex. You know what? I'm really pissed off about this. And I know some of y'all, man, I heard about this a while ago. My neighbor, I know I fell victim to it, but we human. The name sounded stupid. That's really what turned me off to it. I was like, man, what the hell? That's just somebody playing around, man. Like, come on, man. We're serious. This is NFTs. But this thing been booming, boy. Look at that. Man, imagine you got in right here, bro. Look at it. Boom. Boom, boom. Look at that. Man, golly. My neighbor, Alex. I heard about this. I'm telling you, I know. Before I even look, this thing was like under $1, bro. I'm telling you, this thing was like 10 cents or something. I'm telling you. I could have got it for like 10, 15 cents. I'm telling you, man. Before I even look at it, I know this. But I just thought the name was stupid, bro. And I think you can get it on Binance. Let me see. Where's this thing was $40, bro. $40 at all-time high. It say all-time low was $3. It was lower than that, bro. It was cheaper. It was way cheaper than $3. They probably didn't get on here today with $3, but it was cheaper than that. You could have got it way cheaper than $3. I'm telling you. That's still good though, but you could have got it for. I'm telling you. I heard about this alone, man. That's a stupid name for a coin, man. I'm mad about that. Now that thing. I don't know though. It might be. Hold up. Look at that volume. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. When the volume be picking up, why? Let's see. All right. That's what I'm talking about. See, these got these numbers, double-digit numbers right here. All green, no red. That's what I like. And look at that. See, look. Bam. I guess it ain't all-time high, but, once it get past this, it's probably going to reach all-time high. Let me see. Bam. Then it went bam. Now either going to go bam and up or bam and down. So I don't know, man. I'm just showing you what I do. You have to make your own decision. But man, that's just easy way to do it, man. You know what I'm saying? So you can just do it your way. But that's how I do it. Man, I'm mad about that. My neighbor Alex. Super Rare. Look at Super Rare. Super Rare was doing. Man, look at that. That's crazy. But anyway, man, I just want to show you how I do. You keep going with the video coin. Somebody else was talking about video. Who was that talking about video coin? Video coin. That was a while ago too. It was in the Telegram. They kept talking about video coin. Dang, was that Daily Income Guru talking about video coin a long time ago? Now look at it. Hey man, this is crazy, man. But anyway, so you can come do that your own self, man. Man, hey, squad up, get your stuff together, man. I need to see my money, bro. Everything, buy a Pancake Swap. But everybody, look at that. Something going on with Pancake Swap, man. People running over the Pancake Swap. Why? The market is down. You would think Pancake Swap be around by $20, $21. It's going up. You just seen it. I don't know what's going on with Pancake Swap, but everybody running over here, and I'm glad I'm in it too, boy. I'm in it. You can see. Let me show you. I ain't no Johnny come lately now. I got 12,000 in the auto pool. I didn't put 12,000, but it's up to 12,000. And I got 71,000 in the regular pool, the manual pool. You know what I'm saying? So that's about 80,000. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, go to Squad Up, tell them folk to fix these connection issues, man. Holla at somebody. Holla at your boy.